Hi, my name is Ken Reed with SkipperBud's, and welcome aboard Princess, a 2000 Bayliner 5288 Pilothouse motor yacht. The Pilothouse motor yacht series from Bayliner is well known for style, function, and economy. This 5288 is no exception and features the largest engine you could put into it, which is a 610 horsepower diesel MAN engine. This is a straight inboard boat and features many things that you'd like to have in your own home. The 5288 features a very large aft cockpit area with stairs that go up to the bridge, and those are also access to the engine compartment, which you'll see in the photos. A huge salon, and those are stairs going up to the bridge as well from the interior. We've got opening windows here for cross ventilation. Opening windows here as well. Full-size refrigerator, microwave, oven, trash compactor going up to the bridge. The 5288 offers Pilothouse doors on both port and starboard side. This seat is removable. You'll see that in the photos. This area was completely reupholstered just last year in 2023, and the carpeting was redone as well. Main distribution for your shore power is right here. And then we have another one for your battery power right behind that glass door. You'll see that the electronics are somewhat antiquated, but all functional and work. The 5288 offers a semicircular staircase going into the cabin area on the starboard side. Master suite is midship, offering a queen size bed and tons of room. Opening port light windows on the starboard side there for cross ventilation. We have storage underneath, on each side of the bed on the nightstands. A very large vanity with storage behind each one of those mirror panels, 1, 2, 3. Hanging locker here, and tons of storage underneath the sink. It should be noted that this boat has only had one owner since going into service, brand new. Was delivered on Lake Michigan, has always been on Lake Michigan. And moving forward. The VIP stateroom is forward with plenty of natural light, as you can see. Hanging locker here, tons of room. Another hanging locker on the starboard side there. Separate access to the day head, which features its own separate shower and head. Lots of storage. There's storage behind that mirror and storage underneath the sink. And access to the day head from the hallway here, directly across from the third stateroom, which is right here. Got bunks with storage underneath that, and then we have a vented separate washer and dryer right here. And we'll move up to the bridge. Okay, one thing we'll notice about going up to the bridge is there is a screen that you can close to keep the insects out. Bimini top. There is a dinghy davit system right here. This door opens so you can access the aft cockpit area down the stairs. And as you'll be able to see, tons of room. We have a bridge refrigerator right here. There's a sink right here. Very light on the electronics here up on the bridge. And storage underneath all of these seats. For more information on this amazingly well-kept boat, call Ken Reed at 414-614-2628. Thanks for watching.